What is up, TNT gang beauties? I like it. Brain fart. This is my first beauty video, I guess you can call it that. Today, I will be talking about different facial and skin cleansers that some I use, some I used to use and no longer use because I found something better. Some work better than others to me, so I just want to talk about all of them. But anyway, so let's get into the video. First on the list is Noxzema. This is the regular classic clean. I don't use this anymore. It's horrible for my skin. It breaks my skin out. At first I felt like it was doing a good job, but then I guess the more I used it, it started to break my skin out, and I don't know, it dried it out really bad. So I no longer use this. It works for some people. It's supposed to actually strip the dirt and oil out of your skin, and I already have dry skin, so I try to preserve any oils that I actually do have. So yeah, this is a no for me, but it is effective for some people. Next is the Garnier Skin Active. I got this a while ago from Dollar General. It was $4.50. It was on sale. This one is the Clean Plus Balancing Daily Exfoliator. It does the same as that, but as the Noxzema, but it just exfoliates. It strips the oils and dirt from your skin, which is like I said, bad for my skin because I have dry skin. Here it is. And plus, from the perfumes for, you know, the grapefruit and pomegranate smell that I'm supposed to give, yeah, broke my skin out. Next, Clean and Clear Morning Burst. As you can see, it's still full, and it, yeah, tore my skin up. But this is their Morning Burst Facial Cleanser from Clean and Clear. It has vitamin C, so I guess that's a good thing. But like I said, this also just stripped all the oils from my face. It had my face so dry, so I just didn't want to use it anymore. So I don't use this. This is Shea Moisture's African black soap. I do not use this. I think it was a gift. I don't even remember how I got it, but this is not good for, I don't think, for anybody's skin. This is not natural black soap. I actually have natural black soap. I have it in a liquid, but I usually get it in a bar too, but I have it in a liquid. And here it is in the liquid. It's the liquid form of the actual African black soap. As you can see, it's not actually black, it's brown. And then you can see all sorts of things floating in it. And this black soap, I'm gonna open it and show you guys. It's actually black. It smells like Play-Doh, but this is actually black. That's a no-go. Dry your skin out, break your skin out. Most of those big brands that sell African black soap use lots of perfumes to try to make black soap smell good, but black soap just naturally smells herbal, I guess you can say. But anyway, next, I actually do like this stuff, and I love this brand. It's Biore, Biore or Biore, whatever, whichever, don't know, but I just know it's the bomb. This one is the Pore Unclogging Scrub, and this actually does not dry out my skin at all. It's pretty much an exfoliator. It exfoliates your skin, and it cleans deep inside your pores. Like, it actually really does. And it leaves my skin real soft, real soft. I don't use this every day. I use this maybe every other week, only because I actually have something, another exfoliator that I use like twice a week. So next is another Biore or Biore, whatever. And this is their Charcoal Acne Clearing Cleanser. This stuff is also the bomb. I got this from CVS, actually. I got this from CVS. It just leaves my skin so pretty, so bright. On the first use, you can tell the difference in your face. You just can. Like, it cleans deep. This is for oily skin, but it didn't dry my skin out, so I wouldn't say that it strips the oils from your face. And I also have sensitive skin. Like I said, I stopped using a lot of products because of my sensitive skin, and this does not irritate my skin at all. It works magic. And I also only use this like the other one like once every 2 weeks. So okay, next is a new product, and this is my new product that I picked up off of Amazon, and it's called A Cure. And A Cure. You can find it on Amazon. I'll actually leave the link in the description box for this on Amazon. But this is the bam. It's the bomb. This is the bomb. It's a facial scrub, a brightening facial scrub. It has sea kelp and French green clay. It's for all skin types. It's 100% vegan. Okay, 100% vegan. I use this twice a week. It helps with discoloration. I'm always picking at bumps on my face as soon as they come on my face. I just don't like them, and you know, when you do that, they leave marks. Big. Get you some A Cure. I'm not sure how much it was. I can't even remember how much it was, but it's worth every penny that you pay. And this is a 4-ounce bottle. I think they have a bigger ounce. Of course, it's gonna cost more, but I'm telling you, get this. Oh, and also I use my electric exfoliating brush to get all up in there with this. These two together, magic for your skin. Magic. I mean, my skin ain't the prettiest and it ain't the clearest, but it's getting there. Next, I know everybody knows about this, okay? It is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Okay, I got the big one because I'm using it all the time. I use this not every night, but like 3 or 4 times a week at nighttime. Before I get in the shower, like 15 minutes before I get in the shower, put this on my face, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes while I'm out of the shower. Then when I get in the shower, the steam from the shower starts to break it up and everything, and then maybe 5 minutes into the shower, I'll rinse it off. Moment of silence, because this stuff is the bomb. I use this on my face. I use this on my armpits. Yes, I use it on my armpits because I hate using deodorants and they get clogged up in my armpits. I don't like that. So I use this to strip all that out. But I mix this with this. Brags, apple cider vinegar. Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I mix it together and just let it sit on my face for, like I said, about 15 minutes. I'm about to put y'all on game. Okay? Put you on game. Now, boom. Okay. Rose hip oil. It plumps your skin. Have your skin glowing. Glowing. This stuff have your skin glowing. It's like, it just seems like the oil holds, it never dries out of my skin. It just doesn't. And I use it after I put all that, put all that stuff on my face, and it start to strip all, like I said, I got dry skin. It start to strip all the oils and stuff, the natural oils on my face. And I have to have some backup. And this rose hip oil is just, I don't know. Rose hip oil can be for your hair and your scalp, nails and body, and face and lips. Like I said, it plumps too. So it's like collagen. It's like that extra collagen. I'm telling you. Trying to put y'all up on game. Oh, and I'll leave the description to this also in the description box. Thank you guys for watching me. This is my very first beauty tip video. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me if there was something that I left out, or, oh, it is something I left out. Boom. Activated charcoal. I mix this with the Aztec clay. I take it right out the look. I got the pills. I ain't even got the powder. I got the pills. Activated charcoal. And I take the powder right out the capsules or the pills, mix it in with my Aztec clay. I'm telling y'all, if you have sensitive skin, I mean, like I said, I have sensitive skin and it works for me. So, I mean, but if you have like real sensitive skin, I don't recommend you mixing stuff together, but it just worked for me. Thank you guys. Bye, TNT Beauty.